Midea is a wonderful AC and it's global, international.
I'm very, very happy to see the Midea achievement.
The cooling system, it cools very well and very fast.
Love the AI innovation.
You can use your voice command to on AC, on off AC, increase and decrease the temperature of the AC.
The AI number one. You know, this is my first time of seeing that. I never knew something like this can come to reality, you know. But here is the future.
Midea is a brand, number one brand. So far what I see here is number one in Africa, in Nigeria.